Alright, so now I got this apart. It just was able to slide right out on me. And, I don't really like the looks of this. That's a little bit rough. That might be the, that might be the oil seal surface. Here's the oil seal. Here's part of the seal. There's the rest of the seal and the bearing. So now I gotta figure out how to get that bearing out of here. But so far, none of this has been monstrously pressed together. So I'm gonna try and pull that out. And I'm gonna ask the dealer about that. Maybe I can just polish that up with a little sandpaper and hope for the best. Okay, so when they start leaking, don't drive them.